this morning and I'm feeling nothing. Receipt from yesterday, pop out of my jeans. Oh, the date was 24th of July. You hold my hand for the first time. That was a time. Oh, and my necklace that you bought me is gone, and my heart hurts, but I should play along like there's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. I can't move on. Need to get away from you to make myself.
Okay, here we go. It was continued from the last video. I said, let's go down towards Somerset. And then I want to head down to the Pier. The Pier, the Graffiti Pier. I seen somebody go down there with a drone after I was down there, right? I think they saw my video because he flies his drone in South Philly, and he was never there, you know? He's always flying drones around Penn's Landing and stuff like that. Jaybird, if you're watching, you know exactly who I'm talking about. Anyway, and next you know, I do a video at the Pier, the Graffiti Pier, and a few weeks later, he makes a video down here. So I thought, is he watching my channel? So anyway, but he did something with his drone that I liked, that I didn't do, and I'm gonna try it. But let's keep in mind that with the drone he did it with, he has one of them FPV drones, I think it's called, where you put goggles on. Jaybird, you know exactly which one I'm talking about. The DJI drone that just came out like a few months ago or last year, I think it was, where you put the goggles on and you can zoom and zip through places. Well, I don't have that. Well, he does, and he was flying it, and I was flying above everything, like the Graffiti Pier. So with the drone he got, you can fly under it and through everything, and that's what he did, and it was awesome. It was beautiful because of all the graffitis and stuff, all the graffiti and stuff, and it was awesome. So I'm like, wait a minute, I can do that with my drone. I just got to be inside. And he was sitting on a bench all the way down, and with the goggles, you can see everything perfect. So he don't have to be inside, you know, under the bridge. I do, because I don't have them goggles. So I was like, I'm going to go under there, and I'm going to put my drone up, and I'm going to fly right through them things that hold the bridge up. You know, the things that hold the bridge up under the bridge, like I-95 hold these things, like right here. These things right here, they look like this. They hold the bridge. Well, he was flying through them, like through it, all the way down to the end. And both sides, you can see the graffiti work, and it looked awesome. It looked beautiful. I'm like, I can do that, and I'm going to do it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go down there, bring you footage from the sky, and I'm going to try doing that, what I just said. It shouldn't be that hard, you know what I mean? But I'm going to bring you that after this walk here. Yesterday I got 2 packages. The day before that I got a package of medical supplies. I want to thank you. Know who you are. I'm not going to say the name, but if you want, you can say you're welcome in the comment section. But I don't like saying names because of the haters and the bullies. They don't like people helping me out, and when they find out who's helping me out a lot, they start threatening them. Yes, it's true. It happened before, and people stopped watching me because they were tired of the threats. Yeah, it's true. So I don't like to say names anymore when they donate me something, because I'm afraid they might bother them, and they get tired of the threats and they stop watching me as well. So you know who you are. Thank you. I appreciate it. I got all of it that you sent. Antibiotics. Let me see if I can remember everything. Antibiotics, little bandages, square bandages. Oh my God, no, I'm not gonna remember. See, Hold on, I'm trying to think. What was in the bag? I'm not going to remember, but thank you. You know who you are. You sent me an email the other day and told me that I'll be getting one Tuesday and then one Wednesday. Well, yes, I did get them all. Thank you. I appreciate it. And everybody else that's watching, I got a huge Amazon wish list with all medical supplies on it. All. Nothing for me. Sometimes people put things on the Amazon list and they add something for themselves, which I did. I had something for my channel when I go live, and Rick bought it for me. But right now there's nothing on there for me except a medical bag, but still it's medical. It's for the medical supplies. Backpack, medical backpack with a cross on it. That's the only thing on there that is for me, but it's for the channel. You know what I mean? It's not personally for me. But yeah, go check out my Amazon wish list. The link is in the description of all my videos. You'll see the link in the description. It's good. My Amazon wish list. Last night I added, I probably added like 40 things on there. So if you bought stuff for me before and you went through my Amazon wish list a few times and you're like, I know what you got on there, you want to go back and check again, because I added like 40 things to it last night. So please go check out my Amazon wish list. Everything on there is for the people of the streets of Kensington. You know, none of it is for me. And you see me giving it out. Whatever you get for the channel, you see me giving it out. That's why I record me giving it out, so you can see where your product is going. But yeah, my Amazon wish list. Please go check it out. Like I said, the link is in the description of every video. Also, if you can leave a tip. $1.99. Or if it's more than $10, I prefer that you send it to my Cashapp and PayPal, which is also in the description and comment section of all my videos. That's Cashapp and PayPal if it's over $10, because that money goes straight to me, and I appreciate every dollar. Now that I'm in need, big time, I appreciate every dollar you guys sent to me and the channel. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Yes, but the most important thing, the number one thing I care about is the medical supplies. So please go check out my Amazon wish list, and let's continue putting smiles on people's faces. It's getting hot. Yeah, I needed this water, guys. I'm thinking about walking down there. How about you take a walk with me? It's probably like, if I was to guess, no, I can't walk. It's too far. Let me see. It's not that far. No, I'll do it. It's probably like from here, it's probably like, if I was to guess, 40-minute walk. Let's do it. Hell with it. Let's do it. See the train up top? I don't know if you see that or not. Look at this, guys. So that's one of the spots that I said is very dangerous. A lot of cars come through up there. They come flying down there. Cars come this way and try to turn there. And on weekends, if they're drunk, they're going to take that whole side out. Imagine you sleeping in there and a car hits you going 40 miles an hour while you sleep. It's very dangerous. But like I said before, when you're high on drugs, you're numb to your surroundings. You don't care. It's easy to go to sleep. Very easy. You forget where you're at. You don't care where you're at. Train. So annoying, that train. The reason why it's so loud is because the area that I walk on Kensington, there's not a stop here. The stop is on Allegheny, Somerset, and over here in Huntington. So they're going by real fast. You know, they're not slowing down. When they get to the stop, then they slow down and stop. This is the corner where Kiki always is at. Yeah, guys, Kiki. Remember Kiki? I did so much for that girl. I did everything for her. I mean, you name it. Gave her money, clothes, medical supplies. I even cleaned her wounds twice. I believe she's the one that gave me MRSA, and I was in the hospital for 4 days. Like, I did so much for her. What does she do? Her and her boyfriend robs me. It's crazy. They set me up, man. They did that good. I trusted her. She was outside holding my scooter with my drone and everything in my backpack. And I went in the store to buy her and her boyfriend something. He came in with me. And then she took off. Thank God I found her like an hour later. And the only thing she had was my cell phone. That was it. Yeah, they took off, man. They took off on me. They took off on me. But I got my cell phone back off of her. I went back. She showed me where she sold my drone to a drug dealer for $20. Yes, I said that, $20. You looking for something? Maybe I'll see it with it. Money? Huh?
My drugs.
Oh, your drugs. Uh-oh. Talking about dope, right?
Yes, a white bag.
A white dope bag? I mean, I hope you find it. I hope you find it. Oh, God. What was I talking about? Guys, what was I talking about? I hate that. Yeah, they robbed me. Oh yeah, the drug dealer. For $20, she sold my $1,000 drone. $1,000. I paid $1,000 for my Mavic Air 2 with the bundle accessories. She sold it for $20. If this guy knew how much that drone was worth, he would have never sold it to me for what he sold it to me for. So what I did was I took out $50. I'm like, if I give them more than double, they should take it, no problem, right? So she took me to where she sold it. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I was recording the audio the whole time. We go there. I explained to him what happened. And he said, I want $60. I said, listen, man, all I have is 50 on me. You know what I mean? And he was like, all right, give me. And I was like, thank God, man. But some people said, if you're so damn tough, why didn't you rough him up and take your shit back? Dude, it's not that simple. Let me see you come down here and do that shit. All right? I want to see you go into somebody's corner. You remember, he bought it. He didn't steal it. Yeah, it's stolen property, but he didn't steal it from me. If he stole it from me, then it's a different story. Okay? But he didn't know where it came from. Somebody said, oh, if you're so tough, why didn't you go take it off that drug dealer, your shit? Because it wasn't mine no more. It was his. He bought it. You know what I'm saying? Let me see you come down here and take something off a drug dealer on his corner with all his friends, and they're all packing guns. Like, come on. Some of you people say some of the dumbest things, man. You know? So I gave him the $50, and I walked away as happy as I can be. Because if he knew that I paid $1,000 for that, or if he knew how much the value of that drone was, trust me, he would have never gave it to me for not even $100. Okay? I had 2 batteries in it too. Them batteries are $75 a piece. 1 battery, $75 a piece. So yeah, it had lens filters in there, it had everything in there. So yeah. So I got it back. And my scooter, they just dumped it somewhere. Like, they couldn't do nothing with it. Nobody would buy it because I had the keys. Like, yeah, that's what she did to me, guys. Yeah, And I've seen her plenty of times. People told me I should have beat her up or beat her boyfriend up. No, I'm not with that. You know, I forgive her. They have a drug problem. You know, they have a disease. You know what I'm saying? I forgive them for that. Now, if they were straight, no, we would have had issues. But yeah, they have a disease. I'm not mad at her, you know? I'm sure if she was straight and back with her son, she would have never did that. I blame the drugs. I don't blame her. A lot of people don't understand that. All right, so stay tuned, guys. I'm headed down to the pier. Whoa. Anybody in there? Is anybody in there? Huh?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Oh, okay. So I want to make sure. You all right? All right.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.